Oh, good morning, my husband.
My love, how was the night?
Very fine.
I kept money for you upstairs to go and do your hair.
Thank you, my husband.
I've told you to stop calling me that. What happened to these sweet words that city girls use? My love, my sweet, my honey pie.
Yes, honey pie.
Yeah, better, okay? Stop behaving like village girls.
Village love is still the sweetest.
Look at you. See you soon.
Bye-bye. Honey pie. Honey pie. My husband. Welcome back.
Uju, what is this? Why are you taking Gary in my house? Is there no food in the house?
There's food. I just chose to drink Gary.
And you left the dining to come and eat here? What if I brought a visitor?
There's no difference between drinking it down here. The table is the table.
Uju, what's wrong with you? Do you think this is the village? And I gave you money to do your hair. Why haven't you done it?
Because I like my hair like this. I always carry my hair like this.
I'm getting tired of you. I gave you money to buy a wig, you didn't buy it. I gave you money to do your hair, you didn't do it. Do you think I will allow you to go out so that you turn me to a laughing stock out there?
You said buy clothes. I bought new clothes. But I did not finish the money you kept upstairs. If I finish it, what will I use? Now I need to restock the kitchen. I'm waiting for you to give me money so I can add to the one I kept. To restock the kitchen, my husband.
Your husband? Don't call me that. Call me Ken and that's it. I am going to restock the house. Okay? I'm going to buy food myself. I'll go out there and buy those food myself because I won't allow you to leave this house. You are not going to disgrace me. Do you think this is a village? Nonsense! Nonsense.
My hair is...
What is it? But the way you sounded like the entire heaven want to fall down. You made me leave everything I was doing and run down to this village. And you are healthy, Mama.
So I cannot call my own son to come over to the house anymore, Akuya? Eh? Ken, your marriage is long overdue. Eh? What are you waiting for? Do you want me to die before you get married? You are my only child.
Mama, nothing will happen to you. You're not going to die anytime soon. Alright. I promise you, before the end of December, I'll bring somebody come. I'll get married.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey, Katomichi. Hey, now you are talking to me. Ken, there is this beautiful girl. Eh? There's this beautiful girl in this village. Her name is Uju. She came from a very reputable family. She will make a very good wife for you. You will enjoy her. I want you to get married to her now, please. Please.
Mama, I've had it. I'll think about it.
My son, time waits for no one. A lot of men are coming for her hand in marriage. I don't want you to miss her.
Mama, if all the men in this village and city wants her, let them go for her. What's my own inside?
No, don't tell me that. You will marry Uju. She's a very good girl. She will make a very good wife for you. What are you saying?
You are insisting I will marry somebody I don't even know.
You will know her later.
I've heard you, Mama. No problem. Oh, do you want me to leave the food for you?
No, now. It's your food, please.
I left everything, even the meeting I was supposed to attend. I left it to come down to this place.
You're my only child.
I've had you. I said before the end of the year, I will bring somebody come. You say there is somebody coming too. Will I keep marrying local people?
Here comes your next. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, ma. Good
ma.
Hey, Mama. Mama, how are you?
I'm fine, ma. How are you?
How are you? I'm fine, ma. How's your mother?
She's fine. She's sleeping. We want to go and get something.
Okay. Would you, please, I want you to come to the house and see me in the room.
I hope there's no problem. Okay, I'll just want us to talk. Okay, ma. I'll be there. Alright, thank you.
My regards to your mother.
We'll tell her.
She will hear, ma. Thank you, ma.
Bye-bye.
Okay, ma.
Alright, ma.
So, how is Papa? How's she doing?
Mama is fine. You know Mama now. She just wants to see my face. Do you know that she dragged me all the way to the village just to tell me that she wants to introduce me to a village girl to get married to? I actually thought something big is happening.
Well, I see nothing wrong going to get you a village girl to marry. As long as she's committed to a marriage and she has a good character. There's nothing wrong at all.
Jerry, if I even decide to marry the woman Mama wants me to marry, I'm doing it because of my mother. I just want her to be okay. I don't want to hurt her.
Come on, you do not thing. Why would you go into such deceitful marriage arrangement? And now, just tell Mama the truth. I guess she will understand.
I don't hurt her feelings. You know what this will do me? We should not go collapse.
I understand. Don't worry. She gets over it to town. Just tell her the truth. Okay?
You want me to tell her the truth?
Of course, instead of jumping into something you know nothing about.
Jimon, how are you today?
I'm fine, ma. And you?
I'm fine. And your mother?
Oh, she's okay.
Uju, please, I just called you here to tell you that I want my son to marry you. I know I'm not my son, no. I know I'm not Ken, but I'm sure he will marry you. But you want to marry us.
Mama, I don't think I should say anything until I hear from him. Let me know. Does he want to marry me?
In fact, he would like to marry you. He wants to marry you. Eh? That one is not a problem. Please. And you know I like you. Let me just go and get a paper and pen so that you give me your number. I will send it to him. He will call you this night. Eh?
Okay,
Just
Mama.
sit down and wait for me.
Okay, Mama.
Sit well with you.
You told me that once you are done with your exams, you give me this gist. Now you are hiding the gist. Eh? Auntie, your mother-in-law is a good woman. If her son was a bad person, I don't think she will let you marry him.
The mother is good, but not the son. Please, don't come bugging me about this topic. And Mama must not hear about it.
Okay, ma. I've heard you. But sister, this gist they are keeping away from me, eh? Well, okay now. Take care. My sister is so lucky. She doesn't even know. I was the one that had to marry this kind of rich man, eh?
Jungwan,
Mama.
I don't understand. Eh? Since I told you about my proposal to you, you've not given me any response.
Mama, that's why I came to see you.
Okay.
Mama, you are a very good person. Any right-thinking girl will want you as a mother-in-law. But my constraint is your son. The last time you took my number and said he was going to call me, he never did. Till now. And I need to be sure that that is what he wants to do. So I need to hear from him myself.
I am sorry about that. Yeah? But you see, my son is a very nice person. God-fearing. He will take good care of you. And you know you are a very good girl. I am sure that two of you will make a great couple.
I know, Mama. I mean, I need to hear from your son. So the ball is in his court. I just need to be certain that what you are saying is what he wants to do.
That one is true. It's okay. I'm sorry about that.
No problem, Mama. I have to rush back. I just said to come and explain to you.
No problem. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much, my dear. My regards to your mother, eh?
Oh, she'll get it.
Alright, thank you very much. So, Ken has not caught this girl.
Hello, Mama. How are you?
Ken, did I do wrong to you?
I don't understand. What is it?
Ken, I sent you Uju's number since, but you refused to call her. Eh? See, that girl came from a very decent family. She's educated. What else do you want, Ken? You better start making plans to marry her. What is it now?
Mama, I will call Uju tomorrow. It's been a busy week for me. As I'm talking to you, I'm still at the office working. I beg of you, I will call her tomorrow. Huh?
You better call her. You better call that. Just call her immediately. Bye-bye. Children of this generation, they wouldn't listen to you, their elder. They go to Zibo Nwachukwu kereri ụtụtụ that I want to have as a daughter-in-law, and my son is misbehaving. Omokwanojubu, hot cake. Olubaje boys. These boys don't know good things.
Bro, Mama is bent on my neck to get married to this Uju of a girl. I don't know how to tell her no. Have you spoken to this girl?
Well, I see nothing wrong going to get your village girl as a wife. As long as she has a good character, she's committed to her marriage. She's good to go.
I will talk to her, okay? But I don't think that is going to add up because I'm not interested. I'm not going to get married to her. So talking to her, I'm just going to talk because of talking's sake.
And if I may ask why? Why would you want to get married to her?
Jerry, she's not in my class. She's not, we're on the same page with her.
Then get her to your page. Bring her up to your class. And that's not difficult for you to do, right?
One funny thing is, Mama just has this illusion that she's going to make a good wife. I don't know why. But being good wife, I don't care. Because I'm not going to get married to a village girl. I can't even stand her walking on the street together with her. No!
There's something you're not getting correctly. Let me tell you. You just said your mother wants you to get married to this girl because she's a perfect woman for you, right? That's your mother. Your mother won't force you into something wrong. If your mother says the girl is good, then the girl is good.
Really?
Of course. Come off it.
Are you being serious right now?
Of course I'm serious.
Jerry, I'm suspecting you. Are you sure Mama have not given you something? Bribe you?
Oh, Mama, I want to tell you something.
Yeah, Amara. What is it? As you can see, I'm very tired. I'm just coming back from the market.
Mama, I'm not here to complain.
I'll get in the house.
See, Mama, Kim wants Auntie to marry her son. Auntie said she doesn't want to marry him.
Why? You, what did you say about it?
I don't know what to say now. The man is a good man.
How long have you known about this?
About 3 weeks now.
3 weeks?
Yeah, no.
So you have known about this for 3 weeks, yet you refuse to tell me?
See, Mama, you know Auntie Uju can be. She made me swear I will not tell anybody. For me, I have to wear Ashebi. Mama, my friends need to come.
Mama,
welcome, eh? Where are you coming from?
I went to the cyber cafe to print a form I used to apply for a job.
Bia. About Ken's mother's proposal. What did you say about it?
They're not telling you not to say anything.
Auntie now.
Mama, I haven't said anything. Marriage is a very serious thing and I needed time to think about it and make up my mind.
That's good. My daughter, you are matured enough to know what is good for you.
Yes, Mama.
So you want to not the game man. You go ahead.
I knew that's what you were going to say.
You look careful. That is a good man.
Yeah.
I'm leaving. I'll be back in 2 days. Yeah.
Leaving to where?
To the airport. My team and I were going for a seminar in Port Harcourt.
And you're just telling me?
I'm sorry, it's an
What's going
emergency. I'm so sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I'll see you when I get back. The flight is in an hour. I'll call you. I'll talk to you later. Okay, when I get to Port Harcourt. Okay? Bye, baby. Hi, I'm in a hurry.
What kind of a relationship is this? Wait, let me quickly send this last email. Why do you want to change the topic? Yes. So up till this very moment, you do not want to tell Mama you're not interested in the girl she found for you. Is it that she's not appealing or beautiful enough? Tell me.
She is beautiful. So very beautiful. But classless.
There you go again.
Yeah. Jerry, look. Let me just send this final email. Then we'll step out to go and do 1 or 2 bottles, okay? Today is Friday. I don't want to talk about this village girl. I beg you. Let's go.
I think I don't know.
Let's go.
When will you ever talk about this girl?
Jerry, let's go.
We'll continue the talk.
Yeah. Let's go, okay. I close my door.
I've been looking for you, Mama.
I
I went inside. I didn't know you were here.
I'm here, my dear.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Welcome, darling. Sit down. How are you?
Fine.
How is your mother?
She's fine also.
This one you're just smiling. Good news.
It's a yes, Mama.
Yes to Guinea.
I'll marry your son.
Hey! Hey, Uju. Thank you, my dear. Thank you very much. Have you told him?
Yes, I have. So I said to come and tell you too.
Hey!
He was very happy.
Now die a happy woman.
Mama, who's talking about dying? You're not going anywhere.
I am not dying. Who will I leave you for? And this my fine, beautiful grandchildren you're going to produce for me. Uju, what would you like to eat?
No.
I have a goosey, a day. What am I even saying? Go to the kitchen and serve yourself.
Ma, what
This
can I
has
help you do?
nothing. This one is okay for me. Thank you very much. Thank you, Don.
Mama, are you okay? Okay, all I want you to do now is to inform Uncle Leo and every member of the family that I am coming to the village to get married to you. Okay? So they should get everything ready. I want to make you the most happiest woman alive.
Wife Uncle Atomiche, you have done noble, my son, and I'm so proud of you. Ezibonwam, your father will be proud of you wherever he is.
I know you will love such news, okay? Mama, I need to go now. My friend is waiting for me. I will definitely talk to you when I get home in the night. Okay? Love you.
I love you too, my son.
Love you, Mom.
Is that her name? Is Uju her name? Listen, I hope you do not want to marry the girl and suffocate her with your dirty and nasty attitude. I know you.
Jerry, the fact is that I don't love her. I don't like her.
Why, if I may ask? You mean to tell me that after talking to her, you didn't get connected to her for any reason?
Nothing. She's a village girl. Even though my mom said she's a graduate.
She's a graduate. Oh wait, did I hear you say she's a graduate?
Yes, that's what my mom said.
Your mom said she's a graduate. So why don't you look for a job for her and upgrade her to what you want? What is wrong with you? If I don't know you, I would have said you think sometimes from your nose. I don't mean to be insulting, but please, just get her a job and upgrade her to what you want.
Oh, really?
Of course.
Somebody that grew up in my village, attended the school in my village, attended the local university in my community. That's the person you want me to take as my wife. Come on, she's not even up to my standard. She's not in my class. For God's sake, she's not intelligent. Haba, how do you think, Jerry?
Okay. I will advise you for free. You're my friend. Right? Now let me tell you this. I think there is something your mother saw in that girl. So if you will take my advice, I would say you should focus and concentrate on what she saw in her.
Oh, really? I've heard you. Enough of Uju. Now tell me, how is one with you? Come on. Your girlfriend, you have not said anything about her for years now. I want to hear. Tell me about your own girlfriend. I'm listening.
No. Hey. See, Obi Juputram no nangore. So finally, your beautiful Amara has married my son.
Yes, sir. That is the prayer and joy of every mother.
See, this union will last forever. And this will mark a beautiful, sweet relationship between our families.
Yes, so that is what we are praying for. A big amen to that.
Amen. Where is Amara? I have not seen her.
She went out, she went to check for her NYSC posting. You know she will be going for service this year. Be careful.
You really did well. You train your children very well. They are all well behaved.
Thank God for everything. You know we are all women. Oh, Chuko can happen here.
Thank God for His grace. So.
Thank God name. Hey,
finally, my dear. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
We thank God.
I'm happy for you. A big congratulations to you. Your wife is beautiful. I know she's a good woman. Thank you, but you know the reason why I married her. You know it.
I don't. Don't just that. Because I also know that I told you not to marry this woman on a treat her. Ain't I? Respect yourself.
Bro, I married her for my mom. She's my mother's wife. I got married to her for the sake of my mother. So I wish them all the best. Yeah.
Why are you like this?
Cheers. For more success.
Cheers for what?
For more success in life.
Oh, cheers for marrying a good woman.
Oh, good morning, my husband.
My love, how was the night?
Very fine.
I kept money for you upstairs to go and do your hair.
Thank you, my husband.
I've told you to stop calling me that. What happened to the sweet words that city girls use? My love, my sweet, my honey pie.
Yes, honey pie.
Yeah,
better, okay? Stop behaving like village girls.
Village love is still the sweetest.
Look at you. See you soon.
Bye-bye. Honey, bye. Honey, bye. My husband. Welcome back.
Uju, what is this? Why are you taking Gary in my house? Is there no food in the house?
There's food. I just chose to drink Gary.
And you left the dining to come and eat here? What if I brought a visitor?
There's no difference between drinking it down here. A table is a table.
Uju, what's wrong with you? Do you think this is the village? And I gave you money to do your hair. Why haven't you done it?
Because I like my hair like this. I always carry my hair like this.
I'm getting tired of you. I gave you money to buy a wig, you didn't buy it. I gave you money to do your hair, you didn't do it. Do you think I will allow you to go out so that you turn me to a laughing stock out there?
You said buy clothes. I bought new clothes. But I did not finish the money you kept upstairs. If I finish it, what will I use? Now I need to restock the kitchen. I'm waiting for you to give me money so I can add to the one I kept. To restock the kitchen, my husband.
Your husband? Don't call me that. Call me Ken and that's it. I am going to restock the house, okay? I'm going to buy food myself. I'll go out there and buy those food myself because I won't allow you to leave this house. You are not going to disgrace me. Do you think this is a village? Nonsense! Nonsense.
My hair is the problem. Or my husband is the problem. Choose your battles. Or the table is the problem. Or the Gary is the problem. It has to be one.
Stop now. Not tonight.
Baby, why are you doing this? What is it now? I need you. I'm a man.
I had a very hectic day. I can't have sex. Sex can wait, please.
No, sex cannot wait and it cannot come later, please. I want it now. I'm a man, I have needs.
The sex the only needs you have as a man. I'm tired, please.
Babe, I don't like what you're doing. Stop doing this now. I'm a man. Look at me now. Everything in my body is getting up, is standing up. Tell me, are you tired of this relationship? Stop doing this to me now.
What am I doing to you? Why are you making me mount out of a molehill? Ha! Please, I'm tired. I can't have sex this night.
Yes, I want the sex. Yes, yes,
sex,
I want sex.
You like sex too much.
Yes,
like sex.
Yes, I like it, and I want it from the woman I'm dating.
I'm tired. I can't have sex with you this night. Please, good night.
I want to have it.
Don't touch me. I
want to have it.
Leave me alone. Don't touch me. I can't have sex with you this night.
Baby, I want to have it.
Good night. You can't.
You cannot be keeping me in this condition. Am I not a human being? Is this thing not breathing?
Please leave me alone. I can't have sex this night. I want to sleep.
Hey, baby, please.
Good night. Don't touch me.
Baby, you won't be alone. Yeah, I am a human being now. Please. Hey.
I'm going with you. I want to drop at the junction. Let me get my bag.
You're going with who?
You.
Uju,
Yes?
this couple goals that you're trying to do with me, it won't work. Okay? I've told you, get upgraded. This is city, this is not village. I gave you money to do your hair and buy clothes. But you bought maternity gown and you want to follow me with it? It's impossible. Okay? Whereas, what are you going to do at this junction?
I need to go and buy fruits. And I also need a particular spice.
I have everything in the house. I bought everything for you in the house. So stay in the house, don't go anywhere. If you want to go to the junction, you go yourself.
Fine, I'll go by myself.
Oh, better.
Mama, it's just that he does not see me. He does not value me. I'm just like an object occupying space in this house. And I'm getting tired because it seems like I'm beginning to complain too much.
I understand your fears, my daughter. Please, just calm down. Eh? You know I love you so much. Whatever it is will be fixed. I love you so much. I wouldn't want you to suffer in this marriage. Ken is my son. Just leave him for me. I know how to handle him.
Okay, Mama. Thank you very much. I'm very grateful that I can talk to you on my marital issues.
Thank you, Mom.
Bye, Mama.
Hi. What is this now? Get you help me have you come? How can Ken be this careless with this good girl that I found for him? How do children change overnight? How?
Hello, Mama. Are you okay?
I am not fine, Ken. I am not fine.
What's the problem, Mama? Is your sickness started? Should I send a cab to pick you down to the city so I can take you to the hospital?
You are my problem. Ken, you are my problem. When did you become this cold? A beautiful girl God brought your way and you decided to push her away by yourself. Uju is a good girl. Why maltreating her?
Mama, I'm not maltreating her. Mama, I will make it up to her, okay? I'm sorry, I'll be a better person.
Better for you. Because I don't know why you don't want to appreciate what God gave to you. Bye-bye, Biko. Bye-bye.
Bye. Uju. Ah.
Mama. Mama, I just finished talking to Auntie Uju. And this is the second time I'm calling Auntie in the past 2 weeks. So Auntie is not happy. Have you spoken to her?
Did she tell you anything?
Mama, she didn't say anything. Mama, I can feel it in her voice. Auntie is not happy.
Just tell me that you are missing your sister.
Oh, Mama, this is not about missing Auntie. This is serious. She's not happy. Mama, now.
Don't worry. I will tell her to invite you to her husband's house. I'm not in HR.
Mama, I'm serious.
No, nothing is happening.
Something is going on, Mama. Call her now. Call her.
Okay, I'll call her. Okay? I'll call her.
Mama, call her.
I'll call her.
I'll go
and finish up. Go and finish up. Let me tell you.
Mama, you call her.
I will call.
Mama, you call her.
Jerry, you need to help me. Please. I need a good writer. I can't lose this contract. I need a good writer to write this proposal for me. I beg, Jerry. I beg, my friend. Help me.
Okay, please. I don't think I can come to your house right now. I am still battling with a lot. Especially my own. You see, the writer I paid to write my own script wrote beautiful nonsense. I don't know what to do right now.
Jerry, I can pay any amount of money for me to get this writing proposal out. Please, I beg of you. any amount of money. Let me get a good writer to write this proposal for me. Look, if I get this contract, now me and you go enjoy, no?
Let's see how it goes. But I'm not promising you anything. Yes. Talk to you later.
Okay, thank you, my brother.
Babe.
Yeah?
Please go and prepare something for us to eat. I'm very hungry.
Babe, I can't do anything right now. I have lots of work on my desk. Can't do anything right now, please.
2 hours is not going to take anything for me to go in and prepare something to eat. Please, I'm hungry.
That 2 hours is enough for me to finish my work. I have lots of things to do. See, I'm doing it. I can't cook anything right now, babe.
Babe, what are you saying? Do you want me to go hungry? Should I go hungry all day?
Babe, order something online.
No, please don't go.
Order something online.
No,
I'm busy.
no. Afraid I don't go there. I need homemade food. Please.
I'm a career woman, I'm not a chef. So order something to eat.
Baby,
You hear me?
you should say that to me. Are you being serious?
Yes, I'm serious. I'm busy, I'm working.
All right, Jerry. Welcome. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, madam.
You're welcome.
I got this for you.
Hey, thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, sugar.
Ice cream.
Ice cream is nothing but sugar. No.
Would you? If you're not taking it, can I have it?
No. Because you and I are married. And we're going to enjoy each other for the next 70 years. If I give you this, I'm cutting short my enjoyment.
Can you stop this drama and just hand it over to me?
No.
Oh, now that I bought it, what will you do with it?
I'll trash it.
Okay.
Marty,
Let her
bro,
pay.
have I not entered one chance?
Let her pay. Let's talk about the contractor.
That's why I said she come.
Hello? Yeah, you're there. Alright, I'll be coming up now. Okay.
Who is that?
I'll talk to you later. It's very important. I will explain.
Uju!
Yes?
What sort of embarrassment is that?
Embarrassment?
Yes.
How?
Must you talk in everything? Didn't you see how you embarrassed me in front of my friend?
You bought ice cream and I say it's sugar.
It's sugar.
Yes.
Must you talk? If you try that next time, you see what I will do to you. Can you just take this fruit out of my sight?
Sorry.
Cho.
Uju, ma'am, what is really happening with you?
I don't know. I'm just tired. I don't even understand this kind of marriage I came into.
Uju, ma'am, you don't need to be tired. Marriage is not a bed of roses. You just need to be patient. Work on it and you will see the results. As long as it's not starving or beating you, you'll be fine, okay? Don't give up. You will enjoy your marriage. And I know.
He's not beating me. He's not starving me, but he's bruising my ego. He's just treating me like nothing.
You can only be bruised, but make sure you are not broken. And I know. Don't worry. I will speak to your mother-in-law tomorrow in the church. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
No? How do you? Take care of yourself, okay?
Bye.
You be my mother's right. be my choice, you be choice, my mother's wife. Oh yeah, my mother, you be my choice.
Mama, no. You are bad. I hope you succeeded in what you went for.
I did, Mama. I'm very tired.
Try, so sorry.
Oh, I'm very tired. The sun is so hot these days.
You need to rest.
Yes, I need to.
Baby, I'm good, baby. Before you go in, come and sit down.
Mama, I'm tired though.
I have something to tell you.
Why did you wait for me to help you with this one?
I can do it on my own.
Okay.
My dear, this your sister's marriage problem. It's really giving me concern. None of my daughters have had issues in their marriages. Okay, you're that position. Eh?
Mama, you like to worry too much. Until we'll be fine now, Mama.
I have to see my in-laws. You know your sister. If she tries and it's not working for her, she will walk away. Eh? She's a peaceful person. She prefers peace to any other thing.
Mama, Auntie is a big girl. She'll be fine. I know money can't even make her stay in a marriage that does not work. But she'll be fine.
That is
it.
Mama,
relax.
She doesn't care even if it's the money. Money is not something that will make her
Mama,
stay.
relax.
So she likes peace.
She'll be fine. You like to worry too much.
I'm sorry, I'm just so concerned. I'm so concerned.
When are you making this? Me, I'm hungry. Eh? Leave Auntie, she'll be fine.
I'm telling you what is disturbing me. Is this one more important than what I'm telling you?
Mama, food is life. She's not a baby now. She'll be fine.
She's not a baby, but I'm not happy the way she sounded on phone.
What exactly am I doing with someone who is too busy with her job? Too busy for me. Freda cares about her job. I understand she's intelligent, career-driven and all that. I am her man. I need to be loved. But seriously, this life no balance. So look at Ken. He has a very beautiful wife, down to earth. She takes care of him, yet Ken does not value her at all. But in my own situation, I love Freda, and I am ready to do anything for her. Yet she treats me like I don't exist at all. This is getting tiring for me. I need to feel loved. I need my woman by my side.
Nne, I am not happy. Enanuya, I am not happy at all. Your son hasn't been treating my daughter well. Oganode.
Wanyibe, please. I am sorry. I don't know what got into Ken, because my Ken that I know is very loving and caring. I don't know what happened to him. Pico.
My daughter, Uju, is decent and humble. In fact, all my daughters, they are decent and well behaved. I know what Uju can do and what she cannot do. Pico, you need to talk to your son.
Ogo, I'll talk to him. Please, don't be offended. Tajo.
Make sure you talk to him.
I will talk to him. Ogo,
Nemo. Are you getting ready?
I am fully ready. Yes.
What about that our head gear?
Is it not
what color did we even choose?
Green now.
Green. And remember what we said we are going to tie it in such a way that only one
Well, I've not seen anyone to write the script. I've not seen any professional man to write the script up till now. The ones they brought to me, you needed to see the trash they were showing me. It was not good enough at all. And it's the same thing that this village girl is asking me. What is bothering me? Like she can't sort it out. Okay? Yeah, you should have told her. You never can tell.
Really? Jerry, she has nothing upstairs. She cannot solve anything.
Okay, stop this. Engage her with a conversation first before concluding. You know, one problem with you is that you jump into conclusion easily. And it's not good at all. Engage her with it first.
Jerry, please don't even go there, please.
Stop. That's one problem I have with you. Just tell her first and then see how it goes.
Can you help me get a cook that I'll take to my house?
Sajay,
Madam.
good afternoon.
Afternoon. Is Ken at home?
Oh no, you just missed him. He went out.
Oh.
Everything okay?
Not at all. I wanted to see him as regards the writer we need for a script. Don't worry, I'll come.
No, wait. What do you intend to write?
We intend to write a script and create a content for my company.
Do you mind if I see it?
Okay. Listen.
You paid for this?
Yes. I paid a professional for it.
Do you mind if I rewrite this? I mean, I can rewrite it and hand it back to you. You can pick which you prefer of mine and this one.
Okay. I don't mind.
Okay, very well then. I'll go through it, rewrite it, and then revert.
Alright. Okay.
Mr. Jerry was here today.
Yes. Called me. Is there anything?
No, he was looking for you about a proposal the writer was supposed to write. Did you get somebody to write it?
No. Don't bother. You can't handle it. Excuse me.
Hello?
Thanks so much. Thank you very much. The script you wrote for me worked. As a matter of fact, it's yielding results already.
I'm glad you liked it.
Please, if you don't mind, I would like to have your account number so I can show my appreciation to you.
No, there'll be no need for that.
No, it's just my own way of saying thank you.
No, I'm sorry, but no.
Very well then. In that case, I will tell your husband.
No, I'm sorry. Too many no's at once, but no, there'll be no need for that either.
You don't want your husband to know?
The only way you can appreciate me will be to give me more clients. That's all.
Alright, if you don't want your husband to know, it's fine. Once again, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wow.
Babe, I'm heading out now. I'll see you later, okay?
But please, I want us to talk, please.
Okay.
Can you please sit? We need to talk.
I need to go out now. I have a potential client to see. I'm already running late. Babe.
Alfredo, please. I do understand your job is also important, but we need to talk about us. Let's talk about this relationship because I don't understand anymore.
I can't do this right now. I'm leaving right now. I'll talk to you later.
Alfredo, please.
Bye, babe. I can't do this.
gotten myself into? I mean, why would this girl be treating me like some trash? Anyways, I think I still love her though. But it's unfair.
Bro, I'm so happy for you. Your advert is on fire in all social media. You're going to make a lot of money.
Thank you. I am happy. Right? You see, I'm not just happy. This girl in question has taken over all my company works. She does all the write-up. As a matter of fact, I will be employing her as my contract staff.
Oh, really?
Of course.
You need to help me, my brother. Help me so that she can be able to write proposals for me so I can submit it in most of these multinational companies. Please.
Oh yes, I will help you. But why don't you think you need to discuss with your wife? Like I said before, you never can tell.
Jerry,
Okay.
Uju is unintelligent. She's dumb. She can't do jack. I keep telling you this and I'm tired of telling you this.
Okay. What do you like in a woman?
Smart, intelligent, beautiful. Woman that can hold conversation if she's talking to CEOs.
And you think your wife do not have all these qualities you just mentioned? Ken, engage your wife. And you might find something interesting.
Look, I'm not interested, okay? Please, Jerry, I am not interested. If it's Uju that will solve this problem, I know that she can never bring anything positive to the table.
Ken, stop being childish. This is business. Well, like I said to you, Ken, engage your wife.
Well, she's my wife, right? I say she's dumb. And that's on a period.
If you say so.
Yeah, I say so. You always want to, when I'm in happy mood, you want to remove this happiness and bring in sadness. Why? Why, Jerry?
Hey, man. What are you doing here? Work is over. You know who you are.
She keeps calling me. She keeps calling me, for God's sake.
Why don't you want to pick a call?
Like if I didn't pick a call, like our life is going to end.
Can you maltreat this woman? And it's not fair. What is wrong with her calling to check up on her husband and to know if you're coming back home?
I'm not interested in going back home. It doesn't even excite me to go home.
This is getting serious.
I don't have any connection with this girl.
Ken, let me ask you something. Your wife is beautiful and intelligent. So are you telling me that all this while you didn't find anything interesting or anything motivating about your wife? Why are you mobbing at me?
Jerry, the major problem is...
No, answer me because you... Hello, Ju. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Please, is my husband with you?
No. He's still at the office. And I don't think he's coming back tonight. So I will advise you to go to bed.
No, because I've been trying to reach him and he's not picking my phone. That's why I called you.
It's alright, just go to bed. It's fine. Alright, good night.
You be my mother's wife. Oh, yeah, my mama. You not be my choice at all. You be choice, mama. My mother's wife. Oh, yeah, my mama. You know be my choice at all. You be choice, mama. Oh man, no.
Babe.
Yeah?
You promised yesterday that when you return, we will have this conversation. But you came back late yesterday, so can we talk about it now?
What do you want us to talk about, Jerry?
Everything. The relationship, your attitude, everything in fact.
What attitude are you talking about, Jerry?
Babe, you see, the truth is you've been absent in this relationship. And you've not been giving me attention. And to make matter worse, you've been denying me of your body.
Exactly. What is your obsession with sex, Jerry? I know that's what you're going to hammer on. Why are you so obsessed with sex like this? Eh? But you know we are getting married soon. You are going to have me when we get married, so just calm down.
But how do I trust you on this? When all you've done is to show me that you're not interested in being intimate with me.
Look, I love you, Jerry. And I value you. But you know I'm chasing a promotion now. And that's where my attention is right now. I have to get this promotion. Try to understand.
But I also have my own needs. But yet I could make out time for things to work out for us.
We've talked about this, Jerry. Good night. I want to sleep.
But babe.
Do you want a kiss? Good night.
Good night.
You know it would have taken you nothing to have called to say, I'm not coming back. That's not a big task.
Uju, I'm not in the mood for this. I don't want to fight, I don't want to quarrel. Okay, I'm tired, I'm exhausted. All I just want to do is to eat, bath and sleep right now.
Do I fight you? Do I quarrel with you? I mean, it's as if you don't care about this marriage, you don't care about me, nothing bothers you.
Marriage. I got into this marriage because of my mom. So you need to know that, okay? How will I get married to a village girl like you? Excuse me.
So Ken married me because of his mother. Oh, Father God. And I had men who were willing and begging to marry me, yet I chose this man. And now he's telling me trash. Calling me a village girl. No problem. I think I'll have to let go.
What is it? Please, I'm not in the mood this morning, okay?
I'm not in the mood to fight too. I just came here to ask your permission. I want to go in search of a job so I don't have to sit at home idle all day.
Who will employ you with your lowest IQ?
Wait. I can't argue with you. Just give me your permission so I can go in search of a job and keep myself busy.
I can't give you that permission.
Why?
Because I provide everything for you in this house. So sit here, eat food, and remain here. You're a village girl, you want to go out there and disgrace me?
What do you mean disgrace? Listen, I came out tops. I was the best graduating student in my set. I came out tops in school. But I was the best. I really was the best in my class. Why is he laughing?
So why would you stop your wife from working? It doesn't make sense to me. Why would you do such?
Why won't you? She's low, like, she doesn't even have fashion sense. So tell me, why won't I?
Whew. Ken, If I say you're insane, then I'm not mincing words. Why would you demean your wife this much? You don't buy her clothes. You don't even allow her buy clothes for herself. And here you talking rubbish, talking badadash. What kind of a person are you?
Just listen to yourself. You want me to waste my money? The money I suffered to get and buy clothes for a village girl that does not even know how to dress. She's low on fashion. She can join pink and yellow together and go out. Is that the person you want me to waste my money and buy clothes for? To go and represent me? For God's sake?
This is your wife. You see, I was actually thinking something was wrong somewhere. But it's obvious. Something is wrong with you upstairs. Oh yes. Your mother saw something good in that girl and gave her to you on a platter of gold. What do you do? What did you do? Looking for problems here and there, complaining. Care. You don't know what you have until you lose it. I pray you don't lose her.
I lose fire. I don't care. I really don't care, Jerry. Look, I understand she's a good woman to you people. But she does not worth me having sleepless nights. No, she does not want it. Huh?
Who did this to you?
I'm so sorry I had to drag you out of work.
It's okay. Hope all is well.
No, not particularly.
What is
Jerry, I'm miserable. I'm lonely. It's exhausting. I need a job. I'm going to lose my mind if I don't get myself busy.
I understand. I know your husband do not want you to work. But I think I know the kind of job you do.
I'll do anything. I'll do anything. As long as it gets my brain working again.
It's okay. I'll look for something for you to do. I promise.
Thank you.
It's okay.
I'm sorry, I didn't offer you anything. What can I get
No,
you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. I just have to rush down because you called. I have to hurry back.
Thank you.
Uju is a good woman. I wish Ken knew what he have in her. How do I help this too? I know Ken is capable of loving Uju, but he's just being unnecessarily childish. I will just find a way around. This marriage needs to work, but I do not know how. If Ken leaves this girl, I will take over. No. I don't have to do that. But you know that writer I got is super intelligent. She's been writing my content and I've been getting a lot of contacts and I'm super happy with it. Oh yes.
You know you're a very bad and wicked friend. You know that, right? So you got a new writer that is helping you to sort your writing out and you didn't inform me about it. You didn't even want to connect me.
Well, about that, come on, stop now. If it's about that, I thought you'd go to someone else. You should stop talking about it.
I stopped talking about it, yes. Because anytime I bring up the issues, you always said, go back to your wife, talk to your wife, she is a good writer, blah, 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 blah.
Well, I will say that again and again. I've got your back. Come on, you're my man. Your wife might be the best person for this job. Trust me.
Really?
Of course.
I know you are going back to this thing. Go back to your wife matter. Ah! Jerry! I'm sure you have taken this one bottle. The way your eyes is this red before coming to my office.
I'm only telling you
Tell me,
saying the truth.
what did you take before coming to my
I'm
office?
not taking.
Oh, hold on. Food is ready.
I'm not eating, okay? I'll eat when I'm back. I need to meet up with somebody that just writes some proposal for me, okay?
Somebody's writing.
Yes.
How much are you paying?
Do you want to pay for me? Can your brain carry the calculation? Oh, come on. You dumbass.
You be my mother's wife, no girl. Oh, yeah, my mama. You not be my choice at all. No. You be choice, mama. My mother's wife.
How else do I push this guy away? Truly, he's a good guy. But not as rich as I want. And then, he's a sex addict. That isn't my thing. Douglas has been on my case. He's not interested in sex, nor looking for my attention every second. He just wants a trophy wife. And then marrying opens a door of unlimited wealth for me. But I have to find a way to piss Jerry off. I have to.
Ken needs your help. His project is very much important to him now.
I will not help him. He has to get another writer to do it.
Uju, this is your husband we're talking about.
The one who thinks I have no IQ at all. The one who sees me as below him. He thinks I'm nothing. He has judged me completely from the way I decide to live my life.
Uju, you shouldn't be considering that now.
You're not going to change my mind on this. I won't help him.
Uju, I am begging you. Please.
No.
Oh, yeah, my mama. You not be my choice at all. No. You be choice, mama. My mother's wife.
What do you mean she doesn't want to write for me? Is she crazy or something? Am I not going to pay her?
Hey, calm down. Calm down. She might have a reason, you know. But not to worry, I will talk to her. So chill. Take a chill pill, man.
Please, pick your phone and call her right now, okay? And try to convince her.
What's the meaning of that? You're ordering me around now as your boy or something. Guy, calm down. You won't be begging for something and then have pride at the same time. Maybe they help you keep disturbing my life. Hello. Yeah, how are you? Okay. I am actually calling as regards what you talked about the last time. Yes, I know. No, I'm appealing. Just please do it for me. I'll make it up to you, please. Yes, I know. Alright, thank you. I know I can always count on you. Thank you so very much. I'll talk to you later.
She agreed?
Of course she did. At least she knows I'm not like some men that talk down on women.
Please, can I have a number? 00.
You have to, if you want to take something from me, calm down.
Jenny, please, can I have a number? Let me call her.
Guy, be loyal. I will give it to you. But have I not been helping you?
Hello? Yes, my name is Ken. I got the number from my friend Jerry.
Yeah, Jerry told me about you. He said I would be working in a proposal. Well, I told Jerry already that all I need is a description and then I'll do the rest.
I'm aware of that. You are so intelligent. And your work speaks highly of you.
Thank you so much. I will be expecting your description in my mail. I'll test that to you right away. So, we'll talk some other time.
No problem, thank you. Baba, shut down. Did you hear her voice? No, nothing you want to tell me. This lady is born on a Sunday afternoon. She's smart and intelligent. Look, you've been asking me my kind of woman. This is my kind of woman. Smart and
Hey, please, Ken. Please don't ruin anything for me. I am begging you in constant. This is business. Let it be strictly business. That woman is married, and you also a married man. I beg of you.
I know. I wish I've met somebody like this before meeting that local village girl. This is the kind of man I want to get married to.
Yeah, waiting to walk you now. What's your problem? Eh? What makes you think she's better than your wife?
Of course! Don't even go there. Don't even compare. Nothing to compare. It's like comparing a president and a local government chairman. Imagine, not even governor, a local government chairman. She's not comparable.
And Ken, who else did you take my ref, man?
Bro, I
see
did
your
okay.
life,
I did okay.
Are you sure?
Yes!
Ken, I pray this woman is not married to your kind of husband. A man who doesn't value what he has until he loses it.
I beg, don't come with this your preaching. Don't. I beg. I beg you. Every time preaching. Can't you? Well, you know this girl is very beautiful. Even from her voice, you can't feel it. I beg you better. Can you just even stop?
You be my mother's wife, nigga. When you're my mama, you not be my choice at all. You be choice, mama. My mother's wife.
I'm excited today.
Yes, very, very excited. I'm happy. I got somebody to write my proposal. Intelligent girl.
How come you're not bashing her?
I can bash her because she knows what she's doing. I've seen her works and I'm okay with it. She's very intelligent. All the past work she has done, everything is excellent.
Good for you.
Unlike you. She's not as dumb as you.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Eziwanyi doko mana fully get wetakwa. Good woman is hard to find, but when you see one, how will you know? Mama pilako for my pitanka. Aye. But you're not satisfied at all. You want a dedicated city girl, not a village girl. But why can't you teach her? Nurture her the way you want.
Baby, let's run your homes this early.
Don't touch me. Where are you coming from?
From work. Of course, you know I'm coming from work.
I don't know anything again. I don't know anything about you.
What's going on? I'm coming from the office. Where else will I be coming from?
You're cheating on me, right?
Cheat on you?
Yes, with another woman. You're cheating on me, right? You have a girlfriend. You are.
Have you been listening to... Where's all this coming from? Cheat on you with who?
If I catch you with any other woman, you will see my true colors.
Cheat on you? How? Baby. Baby. Baby, please, I beg you. I beg of you. Stop doing this.
Please leave me alone. I want to sleep.
I've been trying to see if I've done something wrong without knowing, but I can't place it.
Why are you pretending? I'm kneeling down.
I am kneeling down to tell you how, just to prove to you that I'm not cheating on you. That's it.
A clear conscience fears no accusation. Why are you kneeling down? You're guilty. Your hands are not clean.
My hands are clean? For what reason do I have to cheat on you? I am comfortable with you. You know how much I love you.
Good night, I want to sleep.
Baby, please. Baby, please, I'm still kneeling.
I don't care. Good night.
Are you saying I should keep kneeling all night?
Good night, I don't care. Please, I'm sleeping.
Baby, this is not fair, please.
Nwakedu.
Mama, I'm fine, thank you, Biko. Mama, I'm very busy now.
Where busy idi? Ken, where busy idi? Anyway, call me when you are ready to talk to me.
Okay, Mama. I love you. You are the best.
I love you too. Bye-bye. Every time I'm busy. And you will not call me. Children of these days, and I'm all the time. They won't listen to you or take advice. Ujunwam, ezigbo nwa amụrụ na mma. I'm so happy that she's my daughter-in-law. Nwabu peace of mind. That is what this boy wants to take away from me. No, I won't let that happen. I won't.
Hello, ma.
Mr. Ken, you're calling me. You should be enjoying the weekend with your wife.
Can we not talk about my wife, please?
Oh, okay. So why are you calling?
To say thank you and hear your beautiful voice.
Oh, no, it's not necessary. You paid me for the job and I'm so glad you got the contract. So no need thanking me.
Why did she cut the call? Why did...
You're smiling. What's going on?
It's a contract.
You got the contract?
Yes.
When?
2 weeks ago.
And you're just telling me?
What would be your input?
But you told somebody else. You told a woman.
Are you referring to the writer? She wrote that proposal. She made me get that contract.
I don't blame you. I didn't at all.
How did she know? Why is she angry? How do you mean? Why would you not tell your wife about the contract? Why? Come on, man. Stop doing this. She's your wife. Treat her properly and respect her. I totally agree with you. I will do that, okay? And I will apologize. I'm sorry. That apology is not for me, it's for your wife. So go home and apologize to her. I will apologize to her, but it's okay. Jerry, look, I need to see this writer of a woman. I need to see her badly. Look, I'm beginning to have this feeling, there's this connection between me and she, where she's always running away from that conversation. Always using the example of, I am married. Where's this connection coming from, if I may ask? The last I checked, you're married and she's married also. And this is supposed to be business and nothing more. So where's this connection blabbing of a thing coming from? I wish my wife is like her. It's possible she is. Oh yes. You've not given her the opportunity to prove it. You don't want her to work. How will you know if she's brilliant as a writer? Tell me. Jerry, I think we need to leave this topic. It's okay. Okay? Let's forget about it. Should I get the secretary to get you tea? I'm fine, I just... There is this job I have for you. But the problem is that they will be having a physical meeting with you.
It's no problem. I can attend the meeting.
is going to be on a Saturday and your husband will be at home.
No, that's not a problem. Because I know he will gladly leave me in the house so that he can communicate freely with the writer.
It's very funny he doesn't know the wife is a writer.
As I said, it's not my problem. I'm happy I'm making money and I can sort my family needs.
That's true. Just come with his business line. It's very important. Alright, talk to you later.
Uju, where are you coming from?
I want to see a friend.
Do you think I'm a fool? Uju, where are you coming from?
I strolled out to see a friend and we had lots of things to talk about.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You have not answered my...
I need to pee. Also.
Answer me. Uju.
I need to pee.
Never mind. I need to take a stroll up there. Uju, I'm so sorry I didn't inform you about the contract, okay?
It's fine.
Wasn't even necessary, I just said I should tell you.
Amai mono tuwako siadi. I tried everything I could. I tried to make you happy. You refused to communicate with me as husband and wife.
I am serious. I like your voice so much. You're such a genius. I like the way you sound. Okay, no problem. Thank you. I'll definitely talk to you soon, okay?
Wow. How did it go? Oh, congratulations. Okay. Thank you. All right. We'll talk later.
Yes.
Where are we going?
I don't even know. I just want to move around.
What is the problem? Because whenever you're like this, something is up. So what is it?
I think I'm beginning to fall in love with the writer.
What do you mean you're beginning to fall in love with the writer? Because you know you can't. She's married.
That is the problem. I am married, she's married. And I can't cheat on Uju.
Ken, you need to stop communication with this girl, ASAP. That's the only way you can come back to your senses.
It's not possible. I can't stop, not now.
What is going? How did you get here? You know what? Let's just go somewhere and sit and talk better. Because this is getting too much.
Do you know she got a big deal to her name?
Uju?
Who is Uju? I mean the writer. Is Uju that intelligent to get such deal?
Oh, she told me. I hope you don't ruin your marriage. Please, man, I want you to have a conversation with your wife. Have a conversation with your wife and make her understand the kind of woman you want. Man, wait a minute. You started cheating on your wife, right?
Excuse me. You know I can't cheat on Uju. You know that.
You cannot cheat on Uju. You're doing that emotionally.
Go fix your home, man.
Fix your home. Fix your home.
Tell me emotionally I'm doing that.
You know what I'm talking about. Go and fix your home.
Hey! My sister has made it though.
It's Jerry, oh. God will help me bless Jerry. Me. I now have a Fiverr and an Upwork account. Ha! I don't know what to say, oh. I'm just very thankful. If not, I don't know what I would have done with this marriage.
You are so lucky. I see the other day, your mother-in-law came to the house. She was just telling Mama to just thank you for her. That you've been taking care of her and spoiling her. Even the way you've been sending money to Mama. Me, I'm even jealous. Mama is enjoying, no.
She's a good woman. She's a very good woman. And for her sake, I honestly hope this marriage works. I love that woman so much.
Amen. Amen. It will work out. I know she loves you too. She loves you. Anytime she comes here, she's always singing your praises. The other day, she even said, she came to me, Mama. Was asking Mama if Mama wanted to send things to you in the city.
Yes, she sent me foodstuffs. I saw them. I got it.
Auntie, me, I'm just there. Oh. I'm just managing.
Managing? See who is managing?
Yes, so start managing. That's why I even called you now. Maybe one or two can just come and meet your sister here. Eh?
Oh, Obia, I hear you.
I love you. Thank you, sister. I'll be expecting it all. Big man wife. Ah! It's my sister, eh?
So madam, what do I have for you?
Jerry, I don't want anything. I need someone to talk to. I need to pour my heart out. I'm running crazy. Or even mad. I just need to talk.
I'm all ears.
Where are you coming from?
I went to see Jerry.
You went to see Jerry? For what exactly?
Someone to talk to. Someone to pour my heart to.
Oh, really? Someone to talk to? Or someone to lament to?
Well, probably.
Who's there? Come in.
Jerry, are you sleeping with my wife?
What are you talking about?
I saw her coming to your house and all dressed up.
What has come over you? I will do no such thing to you. Fine, your wife called me that she wanted to speak with me. I gave her listening ear and that's all. What is happening to you?
Bro, I totally agree with you. I've not been communicating properly with her. She's a nice woman and I don't want to hurt her. I just want to give her freedom.
Okay. I am a friend and I will tell you the truth. Anytime, any day. Your wife loves you.
But I'm in love with another woman. I wish when Mama introduced me to Uju, I could have just said no. Nothing will happen to Mama.
It is not too late to start loving your wife. And I think you love her helplessly already.
Look, I really want to love Uju. But the writer keep popping up in my head. I just wish I never met her.
Can you just calm down? Take a chill pill. I think I have an idea now.
What is it? Why will you go and meet him Why won't you explain to me what's bothering you?
Did you say explain to you? I should talk to you. Do you even see me? How do we communicate when you think I do not have any IQ at all?
Uju, I love intelligent communication, intelligent conversation. Okay? And I care about you. At least talk to me. Let me solve your problem.
You do not see me. The only person you see is in your phone, and that's the person you keep phone chatting and texting what or who it is I do not know.
She's a friend. Just friend.
That's new. A friend you don't mind spending the rest of your life with. Is that truly just a friend?
Hey man. You sounded so urgent on the phone.
Jerry, I know you talk with my wife. But you telling her what I told you in confidence about me having feeling for the writer, that is low of you. That's betrayal.
Me? Jerry? Who do no such thing to you? What are you talking about?
What I'm talking about is how did my wife get to know that I'm in love with the writer? Tell me, how?
Ken, you live with your wife. Your attitude must have said it all. I go and fix your home before it's too late. And stop blabbing for nothing. If I've known this is the reason you called me, I wouldn't have bothered coming out in the first place. What's your problem? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Jerry, really?
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nothing. You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Appreciate this.
You're welcome.
I really had a good time last night. And I wish we will be doing this often.
I don't know about that, Ken. The ball is in your court. The only reason you gave yesterday a chance is because your writer disconnected with you. And you needed me to pacify you like a mother. So everything is in your court.
I'm sorry. I really want to make you happy. I really want to make you happy.
See me. I'm in front of you, Ken. See me. I'm not the writer. Have fun.
She's doing everything possible for this marriage to work.
Really? You have to try with her and make this marriage work.
She bought me a gift.
She bought you a gift?
Yeah, an expensive one for that matter. I'm even surprised how she got money to get such gift for me.
Well, I'm not surprised. A woman that loves her husband so much will do everything to make her husband happy. And you need to reciprocate that love by loving her back. I have to be on my way. I have lots of clients to catch up with.
Okay, my brother. Okay. Thank you so much for everything, okay?
Talk to you.
I appreciate you.
Reciprocate this love now.
I will.
This one she
Thank you so much, my brother.
Alright, bro.
Yeah.
Let me open this gift. I don't even know who sent it. If love was a human being, that will be you. If care was a person, it's definitely you. I wish to love you every day more than you can imagine. My heart yearns for you every day, and my body yearns for your touch. Happy birthday. With love, the writer.
Hey, Ken. What is it that cannot wait for us to talk about?
Jerry, I want to meet the writer.
It's okay. Well, if you need to meet the writer to end communication with the writer, then it's okay by me.
End communication? How? That's impossible.
The last time I checked, you're a married man.
So, I can get divorced, then you get married to Uju. After all, I slept with her just once.
Ken!
What?
What has come over you? Have you gone nuts or something? Your mother needs to hear that.
You dare not. I can't continue to stay with somebody I don't even have feelings
for. That's because you chose not to have feelings for her.
You know the answer to the question.
Okay. You need to have yourself examined. So this is the reason for her attitude all this while. Afraid I've been seeing another man. Yet she kept accusing me of cheating. No. No way. Afraid Hello, Ken. I'm not fine. Ken, I've been a fool all this while. Afraid I've been seeing another guy. I'm not joking. I saw them with my own eyes. As a matter of fact, afraid I've been treating me badly for some time now, but I thought it's something I could handle. Yes, I've been bearing it. This is way too much for me. You know I love this girl. This is no joke. Don't worry, I'll call you back later.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Who is he?
Who? What are you talking about?
is he.
Who?
Do not give me that pretentious look like you do not know what I'm talking about. Who was the good-for-nothing guy I saw both of you by the poolside? Who?
Finally, you get the memo. Do you know what? I'm done with you. I'm done with this relationship. I can't pretend anymore. I'm leaving you. I'm going upstairs to pack my things.
What are you saying?
I'm leaving you now. I'm done.
Freda! Freda! Freda, what are you doing? Don't do this. We can sort this out.
You're a good guy, but I can't do this. You're not what I want.
Alright, Freda, I'm sorry. Freda, please. I'm
No,
sorry.
don't stop me. I'm done with this. I'm done pretending.
I'm sorry. Okay, fine. I'm not angry. I just wanted to know who the guy was.
Bye, Freda. Bye.
Freda, don't. What have I done? I should have just allowed. What have I done right now?
What are you doing?
Sitting on your bed?
Would you please not this night?
No. Why not this night?
Because
We're
I'm
married.
not in the mood.
No. When? In 2 years? 3 years? Eternity? I'm in another room, you're in this room, you won't check up on me, you won't let me sleep here. So when?
Do you want me to leave the room for you?
No, I'm here because of you.
Please, I beg of you. Not this night. I have a lot going on in my mind, okay? I need to be left alone.
I tried everything I could. I tried to make you happy. You refused to communicate with me. As husband and wife, you despise me.
Okay.
Baba, what are you doing here?
Well, I came to relax and then take 1 or 2 bottles. As usual. So you, what are you doing here alone?
I'm here to meet her today.
To meet who?
The writer.
You guys have not met?
Yes. I'm so happy meeting her today.
Alright, in that case, I'll just do 1 bottle and leave.
No, you're not going anywhere. After 1 bottle, you wait here until she arrives. Then you can leave.
Okay, if you say so.
She's calling. Hello?
Where is this waiter?
Yes, just come straight down and by the poolside. Yeah, I'm here. It's a pleasure. No problem. It's you all the while.
Take you as my everything, as my Lord, as my world. But you made me cry, you made me cry every day. You made me cry, the day for you never, for the If I Every night, tears in my eyes. Every day, sorrow in my heart. Thinking of what I did wrong, what I did wrong, that made you hate me this way. Upon a bishop, Marazia, Pussy, Coconut, about the wrong girl. My husband, upon a bishop, Marazia, Pussy.
Bro, Ken, do you know that drinking will not solve this problem? You've been soaking yourself in alcohol. What are you doing to yourself?
Jerry, a number has been switched off. I lost my wife. I lost a good woman.
Do you have an idea where she could be?
No. I should be asking you. Can you imagine? You even know my wife more than me.
Hey, relax. Calm down. I know she doesn't have a friend in this town. But have you tried to contact her people?
She's not there.
If she's not there, where could she be? If she's not in her place, then I strongly believe she could be with your mother. Have you tried to call Mama?
Mama has not been picking my calls. Jerry, I don't even know how to approach Mama to tell her this.
I strongly believe she's with Mama. Yeah, if Mama is not picking your call, come on, stop this. Just sit up. You've taken so much. We need to go to the village. If she's not in her place, then she should be with Mama. Yes.
Mama, I'm sorry. Yes, it is my fault. Allow her to leave. Please, Mama. I just came here to confirm if she's here with you. I beg of you.
Ken, you insulted me, your own mother. You belittled me. Can you madam? Eh? I found a very good wife, a very good girl for you to get married to. What did you do? You would have told me you don't want to get married to her now, instead of getting married to her and be treating her like a trash in your house. After all my efforts.
Mama, please. Mama, please forgive him. He's very sorry. Mama, please tell us, is she here? Pico. Mama, please.
She's here, but I will not let you people to see her. In fact, I am planning with your uncle to return her bride price to her family.
Hey! Mama, you can't do this. Mama, I beg of you, you can't do this. Please. Mama, she's still my wife. You
Yes.
cannot return her my prize, Mama. Please, I beg you.
I married her for you. I will still be the one to return her to her father's house and find another man that will get married to her since you don't appreciate good things.
Mama, please. Be good. Mama, please. Mama,
That's
you
not
can't
what
do
you do
this,
that.
Mama. Mama, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I know I was stupid. I know I was foolish. I took your love for granted. I took all the sacrifice you made for me for granted. Mama, I'm sorry. Please, Mama, allow me to see my wife. Please.
Mama, please just forgive him. Yeah? Like he said, yeah? He's stupid. He's foolish. I've not even seen a foolish person like him before. But he's back to his senses now. Please just forgive him, Biko. Mama, please. Biko.
Ken, after all my efforts, I begged you. Every time.
Please. You try, please. Just forgive him.
Please, Mama.
What are you doing here? Oh, I forgot. It's your house.
Ojo, I'm here to see you. I'm sorry. I'm here to seek for forgiveness. I fucked up big time. I belittled you. I washed you down. You are the only gift God sent to me. Please, find it in your heart to forgive me. I beg of you.
2 years. For 2 years, I begged and yearned for your love. I did everything humanly possible to make you love me from your heart. But you treated me like a piece of garbage. And if I wasn't the writer, you would have cheated on me with her.
All I will say to you right now is for you to forgive me.
Don't tell me to forgive you. What do you want? The writer or your wife?
My wife.
So, Jerry, if not because of this problem now, you wouldn't have visited Akuya?
No, Mama. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. And when you go,
No
I'm
problem.
just busy.
I just hope she forgives you. And thank you for the role you played in all this work.
It's not a problem. She's going to forgive me. She has a good aunt. Oh, got the 2 beds.
Are you settled at the expenses?
Yes, ma'am.
I want to hear from you.
Yes.
Oh,
Wait, Begon. One, let's go inside.
No, Mama. I'm leaving with my wife immediately to the city.
Says who? Ken, if you want to go to city by this time, you can go alone. Tomorrow, my wife will start coming.
No, Mama. I'm not going anywhere without my wife. It's not possible.
My wife?
Mama. Ken, I am also not going with you too. I want to sit back and enjoy Mama's meal.
Oh.
And mix Mama's meal with us. Okay? I miss all those abacha, uba and the rest of it. So you can go. I'm not going with you.
Zikini.
Yeah, so
see,
Ken, I need peace of mind. And Mama here is going to give me that peace of mind. Because anything that Mama finds for me now will be kochi, dachi.
Dachi one, dachi.
So go.
As if I know that people are coming. We have Ofonubu that Uju just made. Akwaraka we say.
Chelu, mama. You mean you have onubu soup here?
What for onubu now? Would you medito?
Respect yourself. Guy, respect yourself. So you want me to follow you to the city? When I should be enjoying good onubu soup that mama. Mama, let's go inside.
Let's go inside. Let's...
Thank you for giving me this priceless pressure. God bless you. I'm indebted to you for life. Thank you, Mama.
I've heard you. Can we go inside now? Let's go.
Yes, so the onubu soup is important. Let's go. Go and do justice for you.
You be my mother's wife. Oh, yeah, mama. You not be my choice at all. You be choice, mama. My mother's wife. Oh, yeah, mama. You not be my choice at all. You be choice, mama. Oh, man, how you like for me? Is looking for a city wife who work at everything. You be my mother's wife, nigga. Oh, yeah, mama. You not be my choice at all. You be choice, mama. My mother's wife. Oh, yeah, mama. You not be my choice at all. You be choice, mama. Oh, man, how you like for me? Is looking for a city wife who work at everything. As you want, you don't come and I'm with you, get what